Let's put ourselves in the shoes of a freelancer. So halimbawa, freelancer ako, tapos gusto kong sabihin dun sa nagkontrata sa akin na I don't want you making fun of my sexuality. Pero natatakot akong sabihin yun kasi baka hindi ma-renew yung contract ko, baka sabihan ako na ang hirap mo naman katrabaho, hindi ka na mabiro. What's your advice to people who are in this situation? Let's start with you, Nice.
Na may protektang batas para sa kanila. Nandiyan na yung Safe Spaces Act. Ibig sabihin nun, kung ikaw nararamdaman mo na nahaharas ka sa lengguwahe, sa pagtingin sa'yo, meron kang karapatan na lumapit sa boss mo or sa company mo. Dapat meron Committee on Decorum and Investigation na tinatawag, no? Dahil hindi dapat natin tinotolerate ang any forms of violence sa workplace.
Kahit freelancers are covered by that?
Yes.
Okay, so that's very important to remember. Jonica, what do you think?
Same thing. In the same way that you demand people to customize how they approach you, sometimes when I see someone who's not open-minded enough to see how and who I am, I will not demand inclusion. I will demand at least tolerance. As long as I'm getting the right amount of fair pay, for example, I will tolerate the tolerance that you can give to me. And then slowly, inch by inch, maybe you will appreciate me for who I am because of what I do. In the next 6 months, because you found out that I'm so damn good in what I do, you'll appreciate for who I am, regardless of what my gender is.
Right. Well, thank you, John. Thank you, Nice. I learned a lot from our discussion today. And thank you for being part of today's program. I think our discussion today underscores the responsibility of our generation, whether you're an executive, a contractual worker, or an employee, to take workplace equity seriously. I think many of us share the same aspiration. And thank you to our viewers. We look forward to reading your comments on CNN Philippines Facebook page, where you can also stream this episode. I am 𝗘𝗾𝗽𝗏, and this is Meet the Millennials.
This episode of Meet the Millennials is presented to you by 𝗪𝗏 Light. Get into the light life, 𝗪𝗏 Light.